You are going to love the 2021 Titan. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.